Okay, I'm filming.
All right.
Let's go. We got traffic behind us.
This is going to be week 5 update
Of what?
at the Carriage Park Garage elevator mod on my playlist.
Right?
This is actually called Project, not Progress. Project.
Right? What about? See, the one on the right is still in service. The other one,
Well, one is in service.
right?
The right one is in the progress.
Yep. Because they got it all locked out, and they got a ladder in the from the carriage in the tunnel. Okay. Yep. Still more supplies here, and their big tool boxes here. They got some more black rubber in the back there for padding.
It still has a ThyssenKrupp.
Yep, ThyssenKrupp barriers. Okay.
Okay.
And looks like about the same equipment they had last time.
Yeah.
But they opened one of the boxes. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
This is the left car. This is only working today.
Okay. You want to show the paperwork real quick?
Yeah. See?
The paperwork's still there.
It's still there.
Okay. Can I see the paperwork real quick?
Okay.
A little pre-sign there. Okay. Okay.
That is still says that's a different attention sign.
Yeah. That's about double parking.
Double parking, but the other one is on the top. It says different.
Okay, yeah. Double parking is like you gotta park in between the lines.
I'll do the honors.
Okay,
Push the button.
Okay. There we go.
Here it comes.
Okay.
Number 4. Because the lantern, it doesn't light up. Because it doesn't light up.
Yeah, we're probably gonna either fix that or replace them.
We're going to replace it.
Okay, I'll come with you, okay?
Okay, I'll do the honors this time for the 6. Door close, car works.
Well, yeah, it looks fine.
Open up the window here.
Hang on to the handrail.
This is the last non-death trap.
Don't say that.
Here on the 6.
Okay, come over here. Okay, that's the machine room, right?
It doesn't make that noise.
See, this is
The renovation.
the notice of the renovations, which started when?
Back in last month,
March 23rd.
2026.
Is there anything in there? I don't know, I can't see. I can't see that. I can see something in there.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay.
Look at this. What's this?
That's another ThyssenKrupp barrier.
ThyssenKrupp barrier is going to be, this elevator is going to be blocked off.
Yep, this is going to be blocked off until they're done. And then they'll move it over to this one over here. And they'll turn this one off and they'll turn that one on.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you want to look outside at the parking deck?
Parking garage.
Yeah. Okay. And just step outside and look at the buildings and everything you can see.
So there used to be a phone box there.
Oh, there used to be
Long time ago, back in 12 or 13.
there used to be a phone box?
Yeah, but it's gone now. See, this is the garage. At the top of the parking garage. There's the Konsker Marriott, which used to be the old Konsker Hotel. They got imploded back in February of 1982. There's the Capitol building, which is the observation decks are closed due to the HVAC work.
Yep. So all the elevators are out of order.
Yeah.
And everything for all of 2026.
Yeah. And look over there. You can see the view of some buildings and this UNO.
Right.
And what's that over there? The tallest 12-story building.
Yeah.
What's that? The name of the building over there?
What is it?
Is that Old Father Hall?
Yep. And you can also see the crane
You see the crane?
Way over here.
And what's next to right the Old Father Hall and the Hamilton Hall?
What is it?
Is the Memorial Stadium.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's head back down.
So this color, there used to be a pink, now it's green.
Okay. Okay. Let's call the elevator.
I'll be honest, watch the up.
Okay.
Watch the chime up. Oh, it's coming.
That's really loud up here.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Back to crown. Instant door close. Cambio on the way down.
I'll film that out the window.
Okay, Cambio on the way down. These are your pictures. 88 phone. Watch this. Whee!
Ooh, that was
Bouncy and jerky.
yeah, that was a little.
This certificate is going to be replaced going bankrupt.
All right.
All right.
Anything else?
Watch it close up.
Watch it close up. Okay.
See that's the rust. That's where we're getting them on. Okay.
Is that it?
And take one more look at the old, the new part.
TKE there, and then ThyssenKrupp right there on the front of their toolbox.
And what's that? Is a cat?
Is that a cat? Yeah.
Yeah, on the sticker.
It looks like a calico cat.
Calico cat.
Calico cat sticker right there.
Okay. Duchess.
Well, Duchess is just white.
That's a caution. Is that a caution?
This? Yes. That means watch out. Caution.
What's that over there? That's a caution by floor.
Yeah. That's for when they're mopping the floors. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Is that it?
All right. Let's.
Oh, you want to take a look at it from the outside?
Yep.
Okay. Right over here.
Over here.
You can stand through here.
Yes.
And if you can see in there,
Yep.
you can see the hydraulic ram. You can see.
Electric traction.
Well, yeah. And see these weights here?
These weights here.
All the bricks and everything, those are the counterweights.
Those are the counterweights.
And
It's
they-
going to be replaced.
And then they got railings in there too, and a bunch of cables and everything. And probably a ton of stuff I don't even know anything about. Okay?
And still has a ladder in there. Still there.
Okay.
Maybe Sim will be coming soon. Will be on his playlist.
Okay.
Notice they have since been modded or torn down on Sim's playlist on
Okay.
YouTube channel.
All right. Is that everything?
Yep.
Okay.
That's gonna end right here. That was week 5 update. Stay tuned for week 6 update.
Yep. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.